We are on a 2022 Kia Forte, and this is the rare Hyundai Kia that actually has an immobilizer. Just adding a key. Had to order this guy a key. I originally got this job as rekey the door lock because someone had broken into the car. I guess the Kia boys have not yet been made aware they started using immobilizer, so they broke in, tried to steal the car. Body shop replaced the door, or replaced the ignition, and it came with non-trans keys. So I rekeyed the door to the new ignition and made him one key, but I didn't know, like I said, it was at a shop. I didn't know he had another key at home. So we had to order him another key to replace that one, and here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and see. I don't remember if you can do this one through the emo side or if you still need to go through diagnostic. And I just did that. Well, it's been 2 weeks. I don't remember yesterday. Am I kidding? Secure learning. Luckily, this is why we take pictures. I bought the pin for this car and luckily saved it. That's just your usual warning. You have to have both keys to program in. I was just going to replace the blade in the existing key, but the test keys I have for this are very different. So we ordered another M6500 key. Get 2 keys out of this deal, so it ended up being pretty profitable, and I think his insurance is paying for it anyway, so good deal. Yep. Oh, that's not good. No, we have Starlink. I just put it back in. Huh. Interesting. Might have to go back out and go through diagnostic. I just cannot remember. I never see Hyundai Kia that actually have an immobilizer on a turnkey ignition. Oh, Phillies fan, smart man. That's a weird message, network unavailable. Yes. I am downtown and I got some buildings around me, so the Starlink, still seeing this guy, and it is connected, so that should be okay. There we go. All right. Pin number is 340673. 0673. And this key, you do have to program the transponder and then the remote. Program succeeded. Yes, I would like to program the next one. This is his key back in. Bang, boom. All right. Oh, you can add more. I didn't know that. I thought it was only 2. Turn the ignition off, wait 10 seconds, turn the ignition on. Cool. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, there's the old key. Here's the new key. And we're going to get back out of here and get to the remote system. And turn the ignition back on, remote control learning. And once again. There we go. On, off, pull the key out. Okay. There's one. Throw his back in. And we are good to go. 2 Kia flip keys, 2022 Kia Forte.